Meg Southern Sims. I'm the preservation consultant at Garvin Design Group. Adaptive reuse is the practice of adapting a historic building for a new use. The Olympia Armory project was really exciting for us because it presented an opportunity not to just preserve what was existing and what remained from that building's historic construction and its longer lifetime, but also to reveal some things that had been lost as additions and alterations had been made to that building over the course of almost 100 years. One of the biggest challenges at Olympia Armory was restoring the drill hall space, which is really that building's key interior element. But when we first entered the building, before we did any work, there had been a lot of alteration made over the course of about 50 or 60 years that had enclosed a lot of the steel windows. It had obscured the stage that was there once upon a time. The flooring was all wood and it had extensive termite damage. So that was another big challenge. We needed to restore the steel windows, return the drill hall's volume, reopen the stage that was there, and then treat the floors. I'm glad that today those steel windows read as though they're new. That means that we treated them really well, and I'm proud of the work that was done there. One thing that I love about getting to work on a New Deal era public building is that it offers us the opportunity to reflect on what the goals were of the New Deal, not just in architecture, but what were we trying to accomplish in all of the public projects that we undertook in that era. The New Deal was really a time when we were focused on the public good and what can we do to ensure the communities are vibrant, that people are thriving. It was used for community dances, for tuberculosis screenings, for voter registration. There are so many great episodes in that building's history that point to its community function. I think that restoring a building like this one, preserving our past, points not just to our love for our city's history, but also for our future. We want to be able to use this building in service of folks who live in the present and in the future.